So, Glyxora is basically marketed as a dietary supplement for everyday wellness, using ingredients like turmeric and bioperine. The product page presents it as a natural formula, but there are a few things the marketing doesn't really tell you. The biggest issue is that the ingredient information appears inconsistent. One section lists turmeric and bioperine, while another version of the site's information has listed ingredients including mulberry leaf, cinnamon, bitter melon, bitter orange, and chromium. That's something I definitely want clarified before buying. I'd also look closely at the refund policy and company information. The reported terms include a 30-day return window with products needing to be unopened, and refunds may take up to 60 days to process. So, is Glyxora worth buying? I wouldn't automatically call it a scam, but I'd be cautious until the company clearly explains exactly which formula you're receiving and how returns actually work. Overall, the ingredients themselves aren't necessarily the biggest concern. It's the inconsistent information and transparency that would make me pause before spending my money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.